Do you feel a little lost at sea when it comes to marketplace insurance plans? Don't worry, you're not alone, but there is help. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of this short, informative video about marketplace insurance plans. Hi there, my name is Sarah and I'm here with iHealthBrokers. At iHealthBrokers, we have helped thousands of people save money on their marketplace insurance plans and even more learn more about understanding their marketplace insurance plans through our free YouTube tutorials. Our job as brokers is to work for you, not the insurance carrier. The purpose of this video is to help explain the fundamentals of marketplace insurance plans so that you can choose the best coverage for your needs. But of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at the number on the screen. There's no charge for our services and we are more than happy to help. The main website for marketplace insurance plans is healthcare.gov. However, if your state uses their individual state website, you'll be redirected from healthcare.gov. All plans on healthcare.gov must offer the 10 essential benefits. And many, if not most, plans offer additional benefits as well. Some of these benefits are offered at no charge. Additionally, you cannot be charged or denied more based on pre-existing conditions. Now, one of the first decisions you'll need to make is what type of coverage you need. You can choose between a PPO, an EPO, or an HMO. HMOs will be the most cost-effective option, but you must have a primary care physician, which is a PCP, and you'll need referrals for specialist visits. You'll also only have coverage in-network. PPOs will offer the most flexibility. You'll have coverage in and out of network, although in-network will be more cost-effective. You don't need a primary care physician or referrals. And then EPOs are somewhere in between. You'll also need to decide upon your metal tier. So Platinum plans will offer a 90-10 split, which means your insurance company will cover 90% of the costs and you'll be responsible for 10%. Gold has an 80-20 split, silver a 70-30, and bronze a 60-40. It's important to remember that the metal tier has absolutely nothing to do with the quality of the plan. A Platinum plan will not offer more benefits or a larger network, it's simply the cost share. Now, anecdotally, you will of course notice that with Platinum plans, the monthly premiums tend to be on the higher end, and with Bronze plans, the monthly premiums tend to be on the lower end. Your monthly premium is of course determined by the plan that you choose, and also your eligibility for premium tax credits. Your eligibility is determined by your MAGI, which is Modified Adjusted Gross Income, and your household size. Premium tax credits are basically just a tax credit paid up front, which is reflected in a discounted monthly premium. Remember, if there is a change to your income or your household size, you need to report it to healthcare.gov. If you're ready to take the next steps, you have a few options. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because there will be a playlist dedicated entirely to marketplace insurance plans. This entirely free tutorial will help prepare you for your marketplace insurance plan enrollment. You can also learn more by contacting us directly at iHealthBrokers, either at iHealthBrokers.com or via the number on the screen. Whatever choice you do make, please make sure to act sooner rather than later. Many people put off their marketplace enrollment and are therefore enrolled in a plan that is less than ideal. Thank you so much for joining me today. If there's any way that we can make the enrollment process easier for you, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.